We are here again. Yes, it's going to be chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Previously we have seen 2 parts. This is part 3. So far we have solved 25 objective questions. So we'll continue with the serial number. So now it's number 26. This objective is in the form of fill in the blanks. Alright. So let's see one by one. Okay. Solve after many days. Yes. There are total dash multiples of pi between 300 and 600. Be careful. Between 300 and 600. So neither 300 nor 600 are included. Achha. Now you want to know the multiples of pi between them. So यहाँ एक target है ही आपके पास 300. Check whether it is a multiple of pi. Then 600 also you check whether it is multiple of pi. And you know they are 5 6 are 30, 0, and you bring down, so that is 0. Correct? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. You brought 0, so you have to divide. Yes, both are multiples of pi. But I don't want 300. So what will be the next multiple of pi after 300? Correct? 300 plus pi कर दो. So 300 and उसके बाद तो मिलते जाएंगे ऐड करेंगे. Now this is a multiple, but you can't take because 600 is not included. अब 600 के ऊपर नहीं जाना है, 600 के अंदर रहना है. So बोलिए 600 minus 5. That is quite interesting. So I 9 5. So I got 80 children. मुझे 80 मिला. The first number is 305. If you want, you can add next 5 and so on. The last number is 598. Now number of terms तुम दिए आपको. How many such numbers are there which are multiples of 5? Okay, between 300 and 600. These are the multiples of 5 between 300 and 600. And they are in arithmetic progression. So you can use the formula. ये nth term है an, ये first term है a1, a2. So what is a? 305. What is d? Very good. And what is an? 595. Now what is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1. Very good. Now nth term you know 595. First term you know 305. D you know, is it positive or negative? तो ये प्लस बना रहेगा plus 5 into n minus 1. So in this equation you can see only n, which is the number of terms. मतलब those multiples of pi. पहले इसको माइनस करो. 595 minus 305. That is 5 times n minus 1. अब माइनस करोगे 092. That is okay. Divide by 5. इसको ले आया है बात. So n minus 1 ही बचा. Multiplied on right hand side, so it divides on left hand side. 5 5s are 25, 4 बचा, 5 8s are. So 58 plus 1 is कोई value, that is equal to n. So n is equal to 59. So how many total multiples are there? 59. So that was the first blank. Okay, plenty of calculations. थोड़ा समय लेता है, right? Okay. Moving on to the next one, and that is number 27. If AP is 20, 30, 40, ... then 21st term minus 11th term is a dash. Children, very interesting. If you remember this, क्या? AM minus A. That is equal to m minus n d. m minus n d. तो यहाँ A21 minus A11 will be 21 minus 11 times d. that is 10D and 10 into D. सीधा बोल दो what is 30 minus 20. Very good. 10 tens are 100. So 21st term minus 11th term. The difference of 11th and 21st term is 100. This is going to be 100. Remember this. लेकिन इसको ऐसे याद रखें if you remember. AM minus AN upon M minus N is equal to D. ऐसे याद रखें. Okay. So, proceeding further. Moving on to the number 28. Very interesting. N minus 1th term of an AP will be dash. What is 9th term of AP? A plus 8D. है ना? A9 equal to. What is 25th term of AP? A25. And that is A plus 24D. So what is N minus 1th term? N minus 2 है. N minus 2th term. So A N minus 2. So यहाँ A plus जो भी था 25 था 25 minus 1 9 था तो 9 minus 1. अब यहाँ क्या है? N minus 2 है minus 1 times that is equal to A plus N minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 times D. Children, this is your answer. This is N minus 1 2th term. N minus 2th term of an AP will be A plus N minus 3 times D. Is that clear? अरे अभी हमारी जनरल फॉर्मूला AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into इसको मैं कर रहा हूँ कैपिटल N क्योंकि स्मॉल n चाहिए ना. ये अपनी जनरल फॉर्मूला है. अब स्मॉल n चाहिए N minus 2. So where there is capital N, I am going to put N minus 2. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? या इसको मैं बोलूं AX is equal to A plus X minus 1D where X is the term number. तो x की जगह पे क्या चाहिए मुझे? कौन सी टर्म चाहिए? n minus 2. So value come across x, put that value. A n minus 2 is equal to A plus x की जगह पे n minus 2 और आगे है minus 1d. So that gives me A plus n minus 3 into D. Clear? So I showed you how you can get in two different ways. Okay. Moving on to the next one, and that is number 29. All right, what it is? Interesting. बहुत आसान है, लेकिन आपको डायग्राम बराबर इमेजिन करना होगा, समझना होगा. A series of steps lead to a temple. Mostly the temples are built at a height. So if you have to visit temple, आपको steps चढ़कर जाना पड़ता है. So there are series of steps. The number of steps is 30. Number of steps is अपने first step, second step, third step, like that. When you put 30th step, you will reach the temple base. Okay? या temple floor कह सकते हैं. The height of each step is 20 centimeter. Height of each step is then the height of the temple from the base bottom, okay, is how much? चलिए थोड़ा सा डायग्राम. ये हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप, ये हमारा सेकंड स्टेप है ना, ये हमारा थर्ड स्टेप. दिस इज 20 सेंटीमीटर, 20 सेंटीमीटर, 20 सेंटीमीटर. Each step is height 20 centimeter. बोलो, first step is at what height? 20. Second is at what height? 20 plus 20. 2 times 20. Okay. Now third step is 20 plus 20 plus 20. The third step will be 3 times 20. बहुत जल्दी बोल रहा है वो. So 30th step, 30 steps है ना? So 30th step will be 30 times 20. First step 1 time 20. Second step 2 times 20. भाई आ स्टेप कितना होना? 13 है तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 add it out से नहीं. 20 20 20 20 how many times? 30 times. So that is 600 सेंटीमीटर, लेकिन यहाँ आंसर मीटर में कहा गया है, so 600 डिवाइड बाय 100 मीटर बन गया, आंसर इज 6 मीटर. Is that clear? The last one, before we proceed further, in an AB, A30 minus A25 is equal to 25, then B is equal to dash. बड़ा आसान, अभी हम देख चुके हैं. We'll recall it again. Difference of 25th term and 30th term, that is A30 minus A25 is equal to 25. लेकिन हमें पता है A30 minus A25 क्या होता है? 30 minus 25 times D. अब इसकी वैल्यू क्या मिली है हमारे पास? 25 is equal to, ये डिफरेंस 5D, 5 1 जा 5 5, so D is equal to 5. Got it? So here D is equal to 5. अब सीधे लिख सकते हैं A30 minus A25 is equal to 25, and that is equal to 30 minus 25 orally 5 times D. फिर कर लो, 5D is 25, so D is 5. Is that clear? Okay, sure. All right, proceeding further, we'll see objectives in the form of multiple choice questions. The next number in serial order is 31. So question number 31. Zalak makes following pattern by using matchsticks. If he needs 97 matchstick, then which figure can he make? This is figure number 1. How many matchsticks are used? 3. This is figure number 2. How many matchsticks are used? 5. This is figure number 3. Of course, it has to be 3. How many matchsticks did he use? 7. So आगे चल के figure 4 आएगा, figure 5 आएगा, and so on. And in one of the figure, he has used 97 matchsticks. So which figure number is that? Okay. So how many matchsticks did he use in the first one? 3. So 3. Then second one. Then 3, 6 and 7 and so on. आपको 80 मिल गया. Sum of n terms is equal to 97. वो जो टर्म होगा we don't know, but 97 होना चाहिए. The sum of how many terms is 97? कितनी मैचस्टिक्स का टोटल? तो वो फिगर नंबर कौन सा? ये फिगर नंबर 1 है. दिस इज फिगर नंबर 2. दिस इज फिगर नंबर 3. इन फिगर नंबर 3 द टोटल इज 7. सो इन विच फिगर द टोटल इज गोइंग टू बी 97. आपको टर्म नंबर ही ढूंढना है ना, टर्म नंबर ढूंढना है ना. यहाँ सम 97, ये सम ही दिया है. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई ऑल्सो मेड मिस्टेक इन राइटिंग दिस. ये सम ही है. This is sum of matchstick used in a particular figure. Figure 1, the sum is 3. Figure 2, the sum is figure 3. तो एक फिगर आएगा फिगर K, the sum is 97. अरे that term number, इसको कहेंगे A1, A2, A3 क्योंकि AP है. So term number AK वो 97 है. So term number K is 97. The sum is confusing us. इसको बराबर समझो. All right? चलिए अब क्या करेंगे? इसकी फॉर्मूला बोलो. A plus A minus 1 into B. That is 97. I put the value of A on left hand side. Now what is A? 3. And what is B? 2. Yes, 5 minus 3 that is 2. और आगे लिखेंगे plus 2 into K minus 1 that is 97. So 2 times K minus 1 is 97 minus 3 and that gives me 94. 2 times K minus 1 is 94. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are. So K minus 1 is equal to 47. So K is equal to 47 plus 1. So K is equal to 48. So which term will have 48? Option है क्या? Yes. Answer is B. Figure 48 will have 97. ये समझो स्टेटमेंट को. 3 sticks, that is sum of 3 sticks, 5 sticks, 7 sticks, total sticks 97. ये figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, तो that is A1, A2, A3. ये पता नहीं 97 जो टोटल आ रहा है वो कौन से टर्म में होगा. So we call it kth term. So kth term is going to be 97. All right. ठीक है. ये सम वाला कंफ्यूजन करेगा आपको. Next one. Which of the following relation is true for Sn and Tn? प्लीज याद रखना, मैंने सब फॉर्मूला बना के दिया था आपको. व्हाट इज, हम Tn नहीं लिखेंगे, क्या लिखेंगे? An. जहां भी Tn है विल राइट An. wherever Tn is there, let's write An. all right, because Tn was symbol in previous book, now the symbol for the same is An. okay, so what is the relationship between, तो आपको पता है An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. ये एक फॉर्मूला. And there is another formula also for An. An is equal to, बोलिए, Sn minus N है तो उसके पहले वाला Sn minus. ये है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन यस Sn and An. कौन सा आंसर? करेक्ट. An is equal to Sn minus 1. मैंने समझाया था, ये फॉर्मूला डिराइव की थी, ध्यान में रखना. नेक्स्ट, AP minus 2, 1, 4, 7 is given. What's the sum of first n terms? Sum of first n terms. How do we write symbolically? Sn. Sum of n terms. Sn. फॉर्मूला क्या है? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into e. भाई AP is given. So what is A? And what is D? 4 minus 1. 3. देखो, 8 करवाने में 8 करो. 7 minus 4. So here A is minus 2. N by 2 into A. What is A? Minus 2. D की वैल्यू 3 है, वो पॉजिटिव ही है. So plus 3 into n minus 1. So that is n by 2 into, this is minus 4. Distribute करो, plus 3n और minus 3. So that is n by 2 into 3n और minus 7. है क्या? This is your Sn. Where is the option? The very first one. N into 3n minus 7 upon 2. Is that clear? Next. In an AP, Sn minus Sn minus 2 plus Sn minus 2, Sn minus 1 plus Sn minus 2 is equal to dash. This is very interesting. Sn minus 2 times Sn minus 1 plus Sn minus 2 is dash. Okay. Please, हम जो फॉर्मूला देखे हैं उसको पहले देखो. This is sum of n terms minus sum of एक term Sn minus 1. That is what? An. That is what? An. फॉर्मूला देख चुके हैं. S20 minus S19 उससे कम, तो that is A20. S101 minus S उससे कम 100, that is A101. Sn minus 1 minus Sn minus उससे कम, तो that is An minus 1. Sn minus 3 minus Sn, that will be A of n minus 3. n minus third term. इसको आप समझ चुके हैं और अच्छी बात है. चलिए प्लीज, ये minus 2x स्प्लिट, तो minus x होगा कि नहीं? minus 2a square minus a square होगा कि नहीं? minus 2 m square है तो minus m स्क्वायर n माइनस m स्क्वायर n होगा ना, ऐसे स्प्लिट हो सकता है ना, बस वही स्प्लिटिंग यहां भी हमें करनी है। चलिए देख लीजिए, Sn minus 2 times Sn minus 1 minus, in fact plus Sn minus, that is Sn, बोलो दो बार, minus S of n minus 1 minus S of n minus 1, स्प्लिट किया ना, और ये प्लस Sn minus 2, ये ग्रुप करेंगे, ये ग्रुप करेंगे, ये ग्रुप में डाल दिया Sn minus Sn minus 1, ओ माइनस, सो ब्रैकेट में साइन चेंज, Sn minus 1 ये प्लस हो गया माइनस Sn minus, बोलिए Sn minus Sn उससे कम है, सो दिस इज An माइनस, बोलिए Sn minus 1 माइनस Sn minus 2, ये कम है उससे, तो An minus, ये बोलो An minus An minus 1, A3 माइनस A2 D होता है ना, A5 माइनस A4 D होता है ना, तो An माइनस An माइनस 1 क्या होता है? आंसर इज D. That clear? नेक्स्ट, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग नेक्स्ट वन, और उसका कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं, आप खुद ये AP को बढ़ाओ। लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन देखिए, what will be the sixth prime number in an AP 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. Check. I'm writing that AP. मैं वो AP को लिख रहा हूं। The knowledge of your prime number would be tested here. आवड़े के खबर पड़ से prime number. So what is the first term of AP? 5. Then 15, yeah. All right, 15. बराबर है? और आगे डॉट 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 आपको मिल सकता है आगे भी। Which is the sixth prime number? एक ये प्राइम नंबर है, बी केयरफुल, ये प्राइम नंबर है, 9th नहीं, 11 प्राइम नंबर है, 13 नहीं, तो ये तो फोर्थ प्राइम नंबर 13 हुआ, तो मतलब हमें आगे टर्म्स लिखनी हो। 15 के बाद क्या आएगा? 7, इसके बाद 19, इसके बाद 21, इसके बाद 23, इसके बाद 25, ओके। नाउ प्राइम नंबर 13 के बाद 15 नहीं, 7 योर आंसर। सिक्स्थ प्राइम नंबर इज 19। ये सब कंपोजिट नंबर है, उसको छोड़ देना है। So in this AP, which is going to be the sixth prime number? 19 is going to be the sixth prime number. Okay, understood? So we'll just see two true or false. Okay, before we end up this session. Yes, they are tough ones. Okay, now see please. Number 36. If S1 is equal to 2 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus 2n, this is S1. Sum of some terms. कितने terms? 2 plus 4 plus dot 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 2n. क्या आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं ये क्या है? 2 plus 4 के बाद 6 आएगा, 8 आएगा। Even natural numbers. These are even natural numbers. और कितने? n. ये nth टर्म होगा, nth टर्म 2n होता है इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स में, तो ये सम ऑफ n इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स है। आपको बताया था इनो, याद रखना, इनो, ये इवन, ये नेचुरल और ये ऑड। यहाँ Sn इज n इंटू n प्लस 1/2, और यहाँ दैट इज Sn, यहाँ सिर्फ कितना, और n इज इक्वल टू n स्क्वायर। याद है? यू रिमेंबर सम ऑफ n even natural number, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. The sum of n natural numbers, that is, or sum of odd natural numbers, n odd natural numbers is, जनरल ये होता है 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. तो लास्ट टर्म आएगा 2n. ये नेचुरल नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन. लास्ट टर्म n ही आता है. और या 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 और लास्ट टर्म 2n minus 1 आता है. Is that clear? तो यहाँ देख सकते हैं the last term is 2n. So that means this is sum of n even. बोलो उसकी फॉर्मूला क्या होगी even की? n है ना? So n into n plus 1 that is s1. Now look at s2 that is given to you. All right? s2 that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 2n minus 1. है ना? ये क्या दिखाता है? Yes, odd natural numbers. How many? n. ये nth टर्म है. n odd natural numbers. तो क्या होगा? सम s2. बोलो odd के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या बनती है? n स्क्वायर. और आपको बताया गया कि s1 is to s2 is equal to n plus 1 by 2. हम रेशियो ढूंढते हैं s1 upon s2. What is s1? n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 upon s2 n square. एक n square कट, so that is n plus 1 by n. वही है? Yes. So that statement is true. The statement is true. Is that clear? समझ में आई बात? Okay. The next one, children, I'm not going to show how we are getting the result, but you remember, please, ये वाला second one, true or false. ये result आप याद रखना. याद रखने के लिए मैं थोड़ा extra practice दे रहा हूं यहाँ. But see here, observe nicely. Sm is equal to n और Sn is equal to n. So S of m plus n is always a 0. ये true है. It is always 0. अब थोड़ी practice. Sn is equal to 7 और S7 is equal to 9. तो S of 9 plus 7 is always 0. 9 plus 7 तो known है, तो कभी कभी वो 16 भी दे सकते हैं. 9 plus 7 is 16. S20 is 29. S29 is 20. So S of 20 plus 29, which is 49, is always 0. SK is P. SP is K. So S of K plus P is equal to 0. So remember this. So yeah. Sm equal to n or Sn equal to m, then S of m plus n is equal to 0. That's true. Okay? हाँ? क्या? S49 समझ सकते हैं ना, मैंने बोला ना. Okay? This you can, they can ask you S49. तो आपको समझता है कि that is 20 plus 29. Alright, that will be C. Is that clear? Okay, so that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Stay safe.